Your current business intelligence and data visualization requirements today won't be the same requirements you have in the future. If you're evaluating a BI tool, you need to make sure that the tool you choose is going to grow and expand as your requirements grow and expand. And flexibility is one of those areas where you should be especially diligent because you need to make sure you find a tool that meets those needs. Let's make worrying about the future a thing of the past. I'm Jeff, and this is Off the Charts with Jeff. One thing that I've noticed in my 14 years in this industry is that every single BI vendor is going to open with a comment about being flexible and customizable. Problem is that that term is nebulous and it's difficult to understand what it actually means to be flexible. So let me make this simple for you. I'm going to give you a list of questions that you can ask your BI vendor to make sure they're serious about being flexible. Since business intelligence tools touch multiple areas of the technology stack, we want to work our way up, all the way from data down to visualizations and reports. These types of questions will get to the heart of real flexibility so that you can be sure that your provider can answer the questions easily and with proof. Viewer beware, these are technical and they're meant to challenge a technical product. My hope is that in providing some of these questions that you may not have considered, that it'll give you an ability to help understand requirements or even put new requirements on your radar going forward. So starting with data, do you connect to the data source that I need today? If I need to connect to a data source in the future that you've never even heard of, what do? Can you work with multidimensional data, OLAP data? On the data preparation side, do you support real time? Do you support row-level security? Are there different options for data cleansing, blending, merging, and just general transformations of the data to help me clean and get it ready? How does data governance work? And how can it help self-service users understand the data? Does data correction exist to temporarily relieve data issues? What are your write-back capabilities to support workflow and actions? On the analytics side, can I augment my data with R, Python, or scripts to solve complex problems? How do you support what-if analysis? How can developers add new formulas that aren't supported out of the box? Do you support a special type of ragged hierarchy? And on to data visualization. Do you support advanced visualizations like cycle plots, radar charts, Sankey diagrams, correlation matrix, etc.? What can I do if I need a chart type that you don't offer? Is there support for mobile or responsive design? Can you automatically shift a user between a mobile and a desktop experience? How easily can we add context like period over period comparison? Do you support report bursting on top of traditional scheduled reports? How can we embed HTML content in our dashboards? On your dashboards, can we embed them into other products using HTML like a portal? On the administration side, how do you deal with development methodology like version control or N-tier architecture? Do you perform administration tasks through the API rather than just simple user interface as well? And what kind of control do I have over the setup of the application? Like, can I change the query timeout? Or could I white label the application? But to be honest, the most important question that you need to be asking your BI provider is how. Because if they can't prove how to do these, then you have a red flag right away. Now, those were a lot of questions, but we easily could have added to this list. And my hope going forward is that you can take these questions. If it was something maybe you're not familiar with, it could be a good way to learn another area of the application, but will it allow you to go deeper with the products that you're looking at today? Everyone provides dashboards, and every one of them has a workflow of some kind that you need to learn. But are all of them truly flexible? I think not. If you do want to learn more, one of the best things to do would be to click that demo button. This will allow you to sit down with one of our solutions architects who will gladly answer any of these questions that I just shared with you and much more. Thanks for watching.